Good morning from Fort Walton Beach. We're here today at the Beal Hotel. We haven't been to Fort Walton or Destin in a few years now, so we're excited to get back. And it's our first time staying at this hotel. This hotel was a Best Western property, and over a year ago, it was transformed and fully renovated into a Hilton property. So now it's called the Beal House. It's a Tapestry collection hotel. We have a king Gulf front balcony with a kitchenette. So looking forward to this around the ocean there. Can't wait to see the beautiful white sand and the beautiful ocean with the turquoise emerald colors. And they also have an awesome menu here at the Remedy Kitchen. We've been looking at the menu ahead of time. They got some like New Orleans kind of Cajun inspired dishes. So looking forward to that. With that being said, we're gonna head inside, show you the room, and show you everything this hotel has to offer. Heading into the Beal House. It is a very windy day today. There's some diamond parking right over here. We have luggage carts right here in the front. Beautiful check-in area. They got a little turtle, a little shell up here. Come inside, and the hotel check-in desk is right here to your right. Very beautiful under here. All kinds of seating areas out here in the hotel lobby. With that big seashell wall back there behind the front desk. Surfboard on the wall, and just plenty of seating everywhere. They also have a workout room right over here. There's the pool and the ocean. Very beautiful. Look at this. They have a 24-hour market here on site. They got some merch here, shirts, and all kinds of little things you can buy here with their name on it. Look at your suntan lotion and things like that, and bags up there, and all your normal snacks you would see here. They actually have a very good assortment of snacks and everything. So nice, really nice shopping here. Coming off the elevators at floor 5, our room is right here, room 501. This is a king with a kitchenette. I like the fact they have the magnetic do not disturb signs. And see if anybody's in there. It's a little Steph. Where you at, Steph? Hey. So coming into our room, you come right into the kitchenette right here. And then there's the bathroom and bedroom right that way. So you got the coffee maker, toaster. You got your cups you may need. At the top, you got pots and pans up there. Microwave, huge sink here. You got a fridge here. This one's a little bit bigger than a dorm style fridge. You'll have some storage down below. Also down below is going to be, it's like a pasta strainer, some forks, knives, everything you may need to cook with or eat with here. Also a cutting board down there. You have a full-size dishwasher. Oops. You also have your plates and bowls, paper towels, and you have a little stovetop right here as well. And while you're cooking, that's your view from the window. So coming around this way, you have the bathroom. Very nice bathroom in here. Plenty of countertop space, good lighting in there. All your storage down below, plenty of towels. I love these gold fixtures. They look really nice here. There's some of the amenities. And over here, the shower. Very nice shower. And there's some of the amenities in the shower right there. No tub, but it is a very nice shower in here. And we'll head over to the bedroom area. You got a full-length mirror right here, tying in the beach thing with those little ropes on the side of it there. Over here you have the little closet area, laundry bag, hang some things up, plus some storage there. Coming in the main bedroom area, you have king bed, thermostat's right there. I love that headboard with kind of nautical color, like it's like that beachy light wood color I like, and the lamps have that little rope on there. It just has like good color tones and everything. I like this room quite a bit. Cool pictures on the wall, and picture, one cool artwork right there. Even the tables, look at that. All made out of rope, it looks like. It's really neat. So you have USB, USB-C, and plugs there. USB-C is awesome to have that. TV right there. Plenty of storage down below. Place for your suitcase. And I also like this too, is there's a place for you to sit, put on your shoes and everything right next to your suitcase. I love that extra long like sitting area right there in the storage area. Other side of the table, or other side of the bed, doesn't have as cool of a table, but it's got a table with some storage in it. We do have an on-site restaurant, the Ribbony. There's a little QR code if you want to see the menu and hours. USB-C, USB, 2 plugs, same lamp over here. Good time, state of mind. Like that quite a bit. Couch right here. There's also a couch bed. You've got an ottoman there, which is awesome. Turning back around, table with 2 chairs. Yeah, another mirror right there. And I like to call it the wow factor. As soon as you open the door, you can hear the sound out here. It smells amazing. You got that salty beach air smell. Oh yeah, I love it. You got 2 of these little chairs out here. It would be nice to have a table out here. There's no table to put your coffee on, but you do have 2 chairs. And a very private balcony. You can't even see your neighbors or anything. So it's very private over here. The view down is the pool. And then there's the beach. You have the pier way over there. Very, very nice. Very nice pool area here. You got plenty of seats that are under a cover there. You also have loungers here with umbrellas. Loungers on the other end there with umbrellas. The pool goes up to 5 feet deep here. There's your beach access. You have to use a hotel card key to get in and out, which I like that quite a bit. And then going back this way to where you come into the pool at, they have an awesome mural here. Good time, state of mind. That's awesome. And the seating out here is for the restaurant they have on site. So you can sit outside if you like to. It's been raining all morning, it's a little wet right now, but they have all kinds of umbrellas that you can cover your seats with. So you can sit in the sun if you want, or if you don't want to sit in the sun, they got you taken care of. Little couches right there. They also have like bar style seating over there as well. So plenty of options to eat out here. So you can really eat out here, watch the kids in the pool if you want to, then head over to the beach. It's a really nice spot out here. Coming in from the pool area, they do have restrooms here, but I just want to show you this right here. Another day in paradise, Emerald Coast. That's an awesome little spot to get a photo at right there. It also just gives you a reminder of there really is another day in paradise. We love the Emerald Coast and the white sands and the turquoise waters and everything. But it's just a great little reminder. Another day in paradise on the Emerald Coast. Heading to the Ribbony for brunch. This is really nice in here. Wow. Here's a look at the breakfast and brunch menu right here. Our food has arrived. That's the classic eggs benedict, the hash browns, a little side of bacon for us to share, and then Steph way over here got the avocado toast. Looks really good, doesn't it, Steph?
Yeah, it is.
It is checkout time. So the Beal house was an awesome stay. Great hotel, fantastic beds, super clean, great staff. We will be staying at this hotel again for sure. You can see the beautiful ocean back there behind us. Love these oceanfront views. And I think Destin, Fort Walton, and Orange Beach definitely has the prettiest beaches of all time. That white sand with those emerald green waters looks fantastic. But yeah, just all in all, highly recommend this hotel. It was a great stay. The only thing I'd say that was not the best was the food. For breakfast that we had, or for brunch, Steph had the avocado toast. It was average. The eggs Benedict I had was average. Nothing bad about them, just nothing spectacular over the top. But I think it was almost $40 for breakfast, 35, $40, something like that. So you can definitely probably get a better breakfast in the area going local. But we do have credits and things like that to help out. With Golden Diamond at Hilton, you do get credits per day. I think here it's $15 per person per day, max of 2 people. So I think we had $30 credit, which was nice to have that for the brunch breakfast. We definitely want to try that dinner going forward. When we come back, we're going to be trying the dinner here. They had some really good sounding options for dinner on there. But yeah, so this was the King Gold Front with a balcony and a kitchenette room. And yeah, just all in all, great hotel. Highly recommend it. We'll be back in the future, but thank y'all for joining us. And with that being said, the nerds are out.